In this video, I'll show you how to enable product reviews on individual products in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at the coffee table product on my site. If I scroll down, there's going to be a reviews section, which will feature the review form and some of the existing reviews. However, if you notice the reviews section is fully missing one of the products, in that case, we need to manually re-enable it within the advanced settings. And let me show you an example. Let me go back to the shop page. Let's open the gray sofa product. As you can see, this particular product doesn't have the reviews section, so let's go ahead and re-enable it. At first, let's log into WordPress admin account, then hover on products, then select all products. Now locate the product in question, in my case is this one, gray sofa, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at top right corner, click on screen options, and then set the checkmark for this option, product data, then scroll down, look for the product data section, and then click on the advanced tab. Right in here, look for the enable reviews, then set the checkmark, scroll to the top, then click on update. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can see on this particular product, the review section is now fully visible. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please scan my channel. Thank you.